By now, I'm sure you all know that you don't need a lot of ingredients or a lot of products in your skincare routine to have great skin. What you do actually need is to have products that match your skin type or your skin concern. यानी कि आपके स्किन की जो जरूरत है, आप जो गोल्स अचीव करना चाहते हैं, उसके हिसाब से अगर आपके पास 2, 3, 4 ingredients भी हुए, you can actually achieve great skin. But today we're going to talk about one such ingredient which is like a best friend, जो हर चीज के साथ pretty much जाता है, which really has a lot of benefits for your skin. And अगर आप जानते हैं कि इसे सही तरीके से कैसे यूज करना है, you can actually get 10 times better results from your existing products. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. मेरा नाम है निपुन, आपकी स्किनकेयर बेस्टी, नाउ अ सर्टिफाइड स्किनकेयर कंसल्टेंट. एंड आप वीडियो के टाइटल से, थंबनेल से तो समझ ही गए होंगे that today we're going to talk about Niacinamide Serum. Niacinamide Serum initially बहुत वायरल हुआ था in 2019 when The Ordinary launched its Niacinamide 10% formula. एक ऐसा फॉर्मूला जिसकी मैं बिल्कुल भी फैन नहीं हूं. Having said that, niacinamide is a fabulous ingredient. It has so many benefits and like I said, it's a best friend. It goes pretty much with everything. तो आज की वीडियो dedicated है on how you can create up to 10 skincare routines or 10 layering combinations using one product that is your niacinamide serum. वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. मैं बनाती हूँ नई स्किन केयर वीडियोस अब हफ्ते में 4 बार, मंडे, वेंसडे, फ्राइडे एंड संडे. Skincare Simplified, as I always say, is the only channel on YouTube जहां आपको मिलते हैं dedicated skincare routines. How to playlist में अगर आप जाके सर्च करेंगे या मेरे नाम को ही डाल के अगर आप YouTube पे सर्च करेंगे, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, चांसेस आर कि आपको उसके सोल्यूशन की वीडियो मिल जाएगी. Having said that, बहुत डेडिकेटेड प्लेलिस्ट भी बनाई हैं. हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन के लिए एक अलग प्लेलिस्ट है, एक्ने के लिए अलग, एंटी एजिंग के लिए अलग. सो जो भी आपके स्किन केयर कंसर्न्स हो वो आप जाके देख सकते हैं. आज की वीडियो इज अबाउट 10 routines with one product, that is your niacinamide serum. Let's quickly talk about what the niacinamide serum does. And niacinamide है क्या चीज? Well, niacinamide is an antioxidant, much like vitamin C is an antioxidant, EUK134 is an antioxidant, ferulic acid and resveratrol. ये सारे के ही सारे एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स हैं. एंड एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स का काम ये होता है that जो इन्वायरमेंटल एग्रेसर्स, जो टॉक्सिन्स हैं हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में, इन जनरल हमारे स्किन को जो सारे टॉक्सिन्स या प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करने पड़ते हैं, उनकी डैमेजिंग इफेक्ट्स को कम करता है एक एंटीऑक्सीडेंट. एंड विच इज व्हाई इट इज ऑलवेज रेकमेंडेड कि एंटीऑक्सीडेंट को आप सुबह लगाएं इन योर मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन. नायासिनामाइड एक ऐसा एंटीऑक्सीडेंट है, एक ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट है जो हर प्रिटी मच लेयरिंग कॉम्बिनेशन में फिट होता है. एंड टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू ऑल द डिटेल्स. Who is niacinamide for or who should be using niacinamide? Well, ये product definitely आपके oil levels को control करता है, skin के oil levels को control करता है. So if you have oily skin, it is ideal for you. But this can be used by all skin types because it is actually a very hydrating ingredient. This is fabulous if you have blackheads and open pores, जो pretty much सबको होते हैं. This has anti-aging benefits. If you have sensitive skin जो बहुत जल्दी red और irritate हो जाती है, it is calming and soothing for your skin. It also has brightening properties which will help with dark spots and pigmentation. अब आपको समझ आ गया कि कितने सारे फायदे हैं niacinamides के. Now let's quickly go on to the various routines that I have created. Now, पहले मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि द मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन, AM रूटीन में आप niacinamide को कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास less than 2 minutes है सुबह to get ready and kick off your morning skincare routine, and ऐसा होता है because I've had comments where women have written that I get up at 6 in the morning to go drop my kids to school, so I don't have the time to do a extensive morning skincare routine. Then this layering combination routine number 1 is just for you. सुबह फेस वॉश करने के बाद, आफ्टर यू ब्रश योर टीथ, अप्लाई योर niacinamide serum, अप्लाई 3 fingers full of sunscreen and आपका मॉर्निंग रूटीन हो गया है कंप्लीट. बिकॉज niacinamide and sunscreen as an antioxidant with a SPF will give you all the benefits and all the protection you need for the day. So AM रूटीन में एक सबसे सिंपल तरीका यूज करने का niacinamide को है niacinamide plus sunscreen. अगर आपकी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई है, फ्लेकी है, तो niacinamide के बाद डेफिनेटली यू कैन यूज अ जेल बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइजर और अ थिक क्रीम एंड देन योर सनस्क्रीन. लेयरिंग कॉम्बिनेशन नंबर 2 जो मेरा करंट मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन है. सो माई मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन इज एन एंटी एजिंग मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर रूटीन जिसमें मैं यूज करती हूँ पेप्टाइड्स. सो आई हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग, इफ यू सीन द लास्ट video, I have started using matrixyl arginine या फिर कभी copper peptides in the morning. So पेप्टाइड्स यूज करती हूँ या फिर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मेट्रिक्सल और आर्जिलाइन, या मैं यूज करती हूँ कॉपर पेप्टाइड सेरम। इसके बाद मैं लगाती हूँ नायासिनामाइड एंड देन आई यूज माय सनस्क्रीन। द नायासिनामाइड सेरम जो मैं यूज करती हूँ इज बाय ला रोचे-पोजे। नाउ दिस इज अ वेरी थिक फॉर्मूला एंड इसलिए इसे लगाने के बाद मोस्ट डेज आई डोंट नीड अ मॉइस्चराइजर। इसके बाद मैं डायरेक्टली सनस्क्रीन लगा सकती हूँ। सो डेफिनेटली इफ यू लुकिंग एट added anti-aging brightening benefits, you can combine your niacinamide along with your peptides, whether it's matrixyl, arginine, multipeptide, copper peptide, koi bhi peptide. Let's come on to option number 3, which is actually layering it with your alpha arbutin. Now, if you're following any of my melasma hyperpigmentation routines या routines for dark spots, you know the drill. अगर आप फार्मेसी बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हैं, मैं रेकमेंड करती हूँ मेलाशोर जेल। बट इफ यू आर नॉट यूजिंग मेलाशोर जेल एंड यू हैव टू यूज अल्फा आर्बुटिन सेपरेटली, आई रेकमेंड 2 combinations. One is niacinamide, उसके बाद अल्फा आर्बुटिन, या फिर अल्फा आर्बुटिन उसके बाद नायासिनामाइड। कॉम्बिनेशन नंबर 4 जो भी आइडियल है फॉर पीपल हु हैव मेलास्मा एंड हाइपरपिगमेंटेशन, you can layer your niacinamide along with your azelaic acid. If you're using azelaic acid suspension from the ordinary, Aziderm cream, Skinoren cream, इनके साथ भी niacinamide pairs beautifully. So here in the morning routine, I have given you 4 options in which you can be used to pair your niacinamide with. Niacinamide with just your sunscreen, niacinamide with all of your peptides, niacinamide with your alpha arbutin, and niacinamide with your azelaic acid. अब आ जाते हैं रात के रूटीन में। रात के रूटीन में let me tell you about various other products that you can layer it with. Specifically, if you are a retinol user and you're in your 20s, you can definitely do the pairing of niacinamide and retinol. Niacinamide and retinol together is a fabulous combination because you're pairing an antioxidant with a retinol. The antioxidant will hydrate, it will protect, and the retinol will improve your skin cell turnover. So definitely, अगर आपके पास niacinamide है and you're a retinol user, you can combine the two. You can do this with anything, whether you're using a retinol based cream, retinol based serum, या मेरी तरह आप लगाते हैं tretinoin, you can layer it along with your niacinamide. रात के ही रूटीन में, जैसे सुबह के रूटीन में मैंने बताया, you can layer it with your peptides, retinol and niacinamide. So order कुछ इस तरह से होगा. It will be peptides, it will be niacinamide and retinol, या peptides, retinol and niacinamide. The order doesn't quite matter, but peptides always come first. उसके अलावा you can actually start layering your niacinamide with your AHAs. Now some of you use AHAs in serum forms and some of you use AHAs in the form of toners. So अगर आप use करते हैं Pixie का Glow Tonic, right? In that case, your layering routine will be Pixie का Glow Tonic. उसके बाद you can use your niacinamide serum. उसके बाद you can use your face cream. अगर आप कोई और AHA based lactic acid, glycolic acid toner use करते हैं, ordinary का glycolic acid toner use करते हैं, you can follow the exact same routine. If you're using your AHAs in a serum form, जैसे कि lactic acid serum, mandelic acid serum, in that case as well, if you layer it with your niacinamide, it is going to give you additional brightness, additional glow and hydration. क्योंकि कभी-कभी when you're using an AHA, depending on your skin type, you may feel it is drying you out, and उस dryness को combat करता है niacinamide, and the two work beautifully together. Because imagine your skin is getting gently exfoliated, at the same time आपको उसके added benefits मिल रहे हैं in terms of hydration and brightening properties. So that is a fabulous combination. I will highly recommend कि आप इसे try करें. और इसके बाद combination number 5 या 6, I can't remember, 6, 7, I don't know, 4, 8, sorry, combination number 8, which is one of my favorites, जो मैं पिछले 2 साल से, ever since I started creating content, I've been talking about it, and that is for your blackheads, your open pores. Combine your salicylic acid or your beta hydroxy acid serum with your niacinamide. It is life changing. Use your salicylic acid first, then use your niacinamide, then use your moisturizer. अगर आप salicylic acid toner use करते हैं like Paula's Choice or by the pharmacy, then you're going to use your salicylic acid toner first, then your niacinamide, then your moisturizer. This combination works the best on blackheads and open pores. इसके अलावा for all the beauties who are right now struggling with pigmentation and melasma, You can layer your niacinamide with your tranexamic acid. You can also layer your niacinamide with D-melon cream. Melasma and hyperpigmentation के routines में हर जगह I have recommended the D-melon cream, which is actually a blend of alpha arbutin, glycolic acid and kojic acid. उसके साथ भी niacinamide can be worked. Because D-melon is a cream formula, you will first use your niacinamide serum and then use your D-melon cream. Now see, you can use your niacinamide with over 10 different other ingredients, and मैंने यहाँ आपको दिए हैं 10 अलग-अलग options ये बताने के लिए कि the niacinamide is that all-in-one. It's like that best friend, that one person जो स्कूल में होता था जिसकी सबके साथ बनती थी. Now that is your niacinamide serum. But that doesn't mean that you need to go ahead and buy these 10 ingredients. Products should always be bought based on what your skin needs. So अगर आपको anti-aging concerns हैं, you will go ahead and buy an antioxidant, which is your niacinamide, peptides and retinol. If you're struggling with pigmentation, of course you need niacinamide, alpha arbutin, retinol and D-melon, or a cream like that, or a tranexamic acid will help. अगर आपको intense melasma की problem है तो उसका तो routine completely different है और उसमें niacinamide gets used extensively. But her niacinamide is not the same. Everybody cannot just go get a 10% niacinamide, and that brings me to the next part of this video, is what are my top 5 recommended niacinamide serums, because niacinamide is one ingredient. जब काम करता है, it's magic, but if you get it wrong with a formula, then chances are you're gonna hate it and you will think that the problem is in niacinamide, which is me. Like when I started using the ordinary formula in 2018-19, मुझे बहुत breakouts होते थे, irritation होती थी, and I really thought that niacinamide is a terrible ingredient. Over a period of time, my skin adjusted to niacinamide. I started seeing the benefits. But it is only when I started using niacinamide from other brands, I realized what a fabulous ingredient it is, and it is a specific formulation जो मुझे suit नहीं किया था. So now let me quickly tell you about my most recommended top 5 niacinamide serums. I'm going to start with my absolute favorite, and I know it is expensive, especially if you're wanting to buy this in India, Pakistan. Yeah, it's expensive then. UAE maybe it is an expensive product, but it's not as crazy. The price point is very, very different in India. And my favorite niacinamide serum, if you know me, you know me, it is the La Roche-Posay Niacinamide 10. This is a product which has made me fall in love with niacinamide. I'm on my 3rd bottle right now. And even though this is a very, very thick formula, in the sense it's very hydrating, it's very thick, it is a product that I can literally say instantly brightens your skin. Like जब मैंने इसे पहली बार लगाया, next morning I woke up, I went to the bathroom and I was like, I'm just brighter. So my first recommendation is Niacinamide 10 by La Roche-Posay. I highly, highly recommend it for all those people who have dry, sensitive skin or dry skin in general. I will not recommend this formula if you have very, very oily skin, because like I said, it is a thick formula. The second recommendation is definitely a little more affordable, and this is by the brand Inkilist. The Inkilist Niacinamide Serum is lightweight, hydrating. It's a watery gel. Like, it's not a gel, but it's a watery gel. So it's a slightly thick gel consistency, which is fabulous. It hydrates your skin, it brightens your skin. And to every person that I have recommended the Inkilist Niacinamide, I have never ever heard anyone come back and say, this is terrible, this doesn't work. It is a very, very safe option. The other one that I want to recommend to you, and this is an Indian brand and it is very, very affordable, is the Derma Niacinamide. And Derma actually gets its niacinamides in 2 forms, 5% and 10%. So depending if you're a first time user, if you know कि आपकी skin बहुत sensitive है, you can go with the 5% one, or even the 10% one is very, very gentle. I recently recommended this to my cousin. She's my age and she loves it, and she has very sensitive skin. So when I was making a routine for her, I had to be careful because she's my sister. I know she has sensitive skin. So the next one that I do recommend is by Derma, very, very affordable. The other two, and I think मैंने बोला था top 5, but I can change my mind because there are so many great options. The other one is by Plum. It is the Plum Rice Water Niacinamide Serum. Again, it is a fabulous formula, very lightweight, very brightening. In fact, the brightening effect of Plum comes very close to the La Roche-Posay formula. However, thickness mein, consistency mein, the two formulas are completely different. So you can opt for Derma Co. You can also opt for Plum. Both of them are fabulous and I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it. If you're watching me specifically from the United States, then I want to recommend a brand that I got recently when I traveled there and I loved it. It is a brand by the very famous skincare YouTuber by the name of Susan Yara. It is her brand Naturium and it is their Niacinamide Serum, which is very gentle, very brightening. And I feel that this is also a very well formulated product जो in general most लोगों को irritate नहीं करेगा. The product is affordable. I believe it's available online and in Target, also in Ulta Beauty, I think. So you have your options. You can opt in for the Niacinamide Serum by the brand Naturium because it is a fabulous formula. With that, I have given you my top 5 recommendations. I have given you recommendations that pretty much cover United States, India, the UAE, etc. In addition to that, specifically, I also want you to know that niacinamide is a very bare-bone basic formula. So if you're in the UK and you want to try a niacinamide serum which is very affordable, try the one from Boots. So Boots Pharmacy, as you all know, has its own private label which is called Boots Ingredients. Unka niacinamide serum is also fabulous. In fact, unka salicylic acid, azelaic acid, pretty much a lot of things that I've tried from Boots Ingredients is great. We get it here in the UAE. I've had a chance to use those products extensively. So if you're in the UK, that is a brand I recommend for you. Now I think I've given you more than 5 options, and these are all brands that I have tried, tested, loved, and these are my top recommendations of niacinamide serum. As you figured out, it is a great product to include in your overall skincare routine, and you can literally combine it with everyone or everything. But one combination that I don't want you to risk, वैसे आप risk करना चाहते हो, it's your मर्जी, you can do whatever you want, is niacinamide with vitamin C. So you need to understand that बहुत सारी research होती रहती है skincare में over a period of time, and some of the data that's available to us is a little old. So पुराने data के हिसाब से you should never combine niacinamide and vitamin C. However, the new research papers are actually saying कि combine कर भी लिया तो कोई problem नहीं है. But here is my take on it. Why will you use 2 antioxidants together? You're not going to get any additional benefit from it. Also, depending on the vitamin C that you're using, let's say you're using 20% L-ascorbic, which is pure form of vitamin C, and you're using a 10% niacinamide, and you live in a super hot, humid country, you could get a reaction. So it really depends on what your vitamin C is and what is the concentration of your niacinamide. And इसके लिए बहुत सारी calculation करनी पड़ेगी आपको खुद. So I would say avoid it. अगर आपको विटामिन सी बहुत पसंद है, आपकी स्किन को सूट कर रहा है, use your vitamin C in the morning, use your niacinamide at night. There are about 10 other things that you can pair it with. Now, this was a detailed video all about niacinamide. How can you create up to 10 different routines with one product? लेकिन अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं how you can have just 5 products and create 15 different routines, then this is the next video. I highly recommend you check it out. Video pasand aaye, do consider subscribing and liking this video. I will see you next time. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye.